Hey guys, and welcome back. This is Alfred, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you some tips and tricks for your resume. So in the previous video we have discussed how you can create a full resume using Canva without spending a penny, without even spending much time and effort. So in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can add an image to your resume. So there are some templates like the one exists here that contains image, so it's up to you if you need or if you want to use one of these templates like this one. For example, I'm going to add it as a new page, and as you can see it contains an image that you need to add. And in order to add an image you need to add a formal image with a white background or even a monocolor background. So this is what we are going to do here, even if you don't have this type of image present in front of you. I'm going to Remove.bg to remove the background of one of my ordinary images. So I have a background and it's a noisy background, but I'm going to remove it using Remove.bg. I'm going to click on upload image, and now I have selected an image here to remove its background, and successfully in a matter of seconds it has been removed. Of course you will not use a full body image, but I'm just using this image as an illustration because it contained a noisy background. And this is how your image will look like. You can download it as an HD, but it will require you to sign up and pay money, but we do not need to pay money. So I'm just going to download it as a free image, but it's not going to be the best quality. So I'm going to head to Cutout Pro, and I'm going to use from products, I'm going to use photo enhancer on the right because it will allow me to enhance the quality that have been lost in using Remove.bg. And now I'm going to upload the same image that I have downloaded from Remove.bg. And now it just takes a few seconds to upload my image and do the necessary edits on it. So this is the final product that you need to use. So I'm going to head to free download to download this image. Then I'm going back to Canva to use this image after editing its quality. So now I'm going to click on this image. I think it was from edit. No, I believe I need to I think I need to delete this image first before using my image. So I'm going to delete this current image, and I'm going to head to my device. Then I'm going to drag and drop my image to this place. Just a simple drag and drop. So now I dropped it in here, and now it's going to upload, but it has been uploaded in its full size. So I'm going to drag it again and drop it in this frame, and this is how it will look like. Of course you will not use all this image, you will use just an image of your face, not your full body, but it was just for illustration on how to use an image with a noisy background to be a formal image that you can use in your resume. I just went to Remove.bg, remove the background, then headed to Cutout.pro to enhance the quality. Then I went back to Canva and dragged and dropped this image in here. So this is pretty much it. This is how easy you can use an image in Canva, even if you do not have the necessary image. So that's it for this video, guys. If you are interested in knowing other tips about how to fill the content in your resume, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned, and thank you for watching.